Hi, my name is Benjamin Dean, the author of This Story Is a Lie, and I'm going to give you some recommendations for what you can read next. First up, Bite Risk by S.J. Wills, which follows a story where all the adults in a small town kind of turn into werewolves once a month, leaving the children to fend for themselves. My second recommendation is Killjoy by Holly Jackson, which is a prequel to A Good Girl's Guide to Murder and follows main character Pip as she attends a murder mystery party which sees her play detective once again. My third recommendation is Boy Missing by Sophie Mackenzie, which follows Ellen, who has to find her cousin Harlan when he disappears on a family camping trip. My fourth recommendation is Two Can Keep a Secret by Karen M. McManus, which follows main character Ellery, who returns to her hometown where her aunt previously went missing as anonymous threats start to appear and another girl goes missing. And finally, I will recommend my own book, How to Die Famous, which is for slightly older readers who maybe want to take a dive behind the scenes of a Hollywood TV show with a bad reputation, as main character Abel goes undercover to try and expose the truth about the show's shady past. I hope you enjoy reading them all.